Minasama ohaya gozaimasu. Konnichiwa, konbanwa, meru to moshimasu. Ang lesson po natin ngayon is all about futsuke ng Naikei or Nai form. Sa video na to, matutunan niyo po kung paano sabihin in Japanese ang please don't, must or have to, and no need to. Simulan na po natin. First, negative request form. Please don't. Ang rule niya po is apply Naikei and add naide. Kung nasa polite form po tayo ng Nai form, so yung kudasai po, ika-cancel lang po natin. For example, kisanaide, kisanaide. In English, please don't erase. Next, kikanaide, kikanaide. In English, please don't listen. Next, tabinaide, tabinaide. In English, please don't eat. Next, ninaide, ninaide. In English, please don't sleep. Next, binkyou shinaide, binkyou shinaide. In English, please don't study. Next, motikonaide, motikonaide. In English, please don't bring. Next, prohibition. Do not. Ang rule po niya is copy jishoke and add na. Diba? Ang bilis lang. So, for example, kisuna, kisuna. In English, do not erase. Next, kikuna, kikuna. In English, do not listen. Next, taberu na, taberu na. In English, do not eat. Next, niru na, niru na. In English, do not sleep. Next, binkyou suru na, binkyou suru na. In English, do not study. Next, mottekoro na, mottekoro na. In English, do not bring. Okay guys, pag may jishoke po kayo at may na sa dulo, ibig sabihin po nun is prohibition po yan siya. Next, must form. Must or have to. Ang rule po niya is apply Naikei and add nakereba naranai or nakereba ikinai. For example, kesa nakereba naranai, kesa nakereba naranai, or kesa nakereba ikinai, kesa nakereba ikinai. In English, must erase. Next example, kikanakereba naranai, kikanakereba naranai, or kikanakereba ikinai, kikanakereba ikinai. In English, must listen. Next example, tabinakereba naranai, tabe nakereba naranai, or Tabinakereba ikinai. Tabinakereba ikinai. In English, must eat. Next example. Ninakereba naranai. Ninakereba naranai. Or ninakereba ikinai. Ninakereba ikinai. In English, must sleep. Next example. Binkyushi nakereba naranai. Binkyushi nakereba naranai. Or Binkyushi nakereba ikinai. Binkyushi nakereba ikinai. In English, must study. Next example. Moteko nakereba naranai. Moteko nakereba naranai. Or Moteko nakereba ikinai. Moteko nakereba ikinai. In English, must bring. Next, no need form. No need to. Ang rule po niya is apply naike and add naktemu i. Kung nasa polite form po tayo, ika-cancel nyo lang po ang des. Okay, so may casual form na po tayo ng no need to. For example, kisanaktemo i. Kisanaktemo i. In English, no need to erase. Next, kikanaktemo i. Kikanaktemo i. In English, no need to listen. Next, tabinaktemo i. Tabinaktemo i. In English, no need to eat. Next example. Ninaktemo i. Ninaktemo i. In English, no need to sleep. Next, binkyushinaktemo i. Binkyushinaktemo i. In English, no need to study. Next example. Motikonaktemo i. Motikonaktemo i. In English, no need to bring. Okay, in summary, yun po lahat ang Nike form. We have negative request form or please don't. Next is must form. Must or have to. Next is no need form. Please don't. Okay everyone, that's it for today. I hope everyone is safe and well. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye! Otsukaresama deshita!